friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review the Kohinoor Basmati Biryani Kit, which is a Hyderabadi Biryani kit here from Kohinoor, which allows you to make biryani at home with ease. It provides you with all the ingredients needed to make a biryani and inside this kit. So this is the product that we are going to review today, the Kohinoor Hyderabadi Biryani Kit. So let's start off with a review of the product. Let's look at the packaging. It comes nicely packaged in a cardboard box here, and right here we can see the Kohinoor branding. Right on top is the Kohinoor branding. Here on the right hand corner we have the vegetarian symbol. Name of the product here is Hyderabadi Biryani Kit. So this is a Hyderabadi Biryani flavored kit. Easy 3 steps cooking instructions are there. Authenticity of origin, so it has a mark which says authenticity of origin. No artificial colors or preservatives used in here as well. This is highly spiced biryani, so quite spicy. 3 chilies can be seen, so that is highly spiced biryani. Moving on to size, you can see the nutritional facts mentioned here. The ingredients which are here is raw basmati rice. There is Hyderabadi biryani paste. So you get a Hyderabadi biryani paste which contains these ingredients, and then you have whole spices also along with it. This allergen advice contains milk and soy, manufactured in a factory that processes nut, peanut, gluten, mustard and celery products as well. Do not use the enough pouches leaking or bloated. So this is a normal allergen advice which is always there on most of the ready to eat packages. And moving on to the back side of the package, here again we can see the Kohinoor branding, the name of the product which is Hyderabadi Biryani Kit, and celebrate the flavors of India from the world's largest spice company, which is McCormick. At Kohinoor, we are passionate about bringing the right blend of authenticity, trust and convenience to everyday cooking. To make your every mealtime moment better, crafted by our culinary experts, our biryani kit has all the fine essentials you will need to create an authentic aromatic biryani in just 30 minutes in your kitchen. So enjoy this royal delicacy bursting with the flavors of exotic spices with basmati rice. You do the cooking, we help you with convenience of preparation. You cook, you are able to cook it by yourself. They just provide you the materials in it. So moving on, they say that it's a 3 steps cooking ready in just 30 minutes. What does the pack include? Here they have shown the pack includes 200 grams of authentic basmati rice, 125 grams of Hyderabadi biryani masala, 2 grams of whole spices which is available. Now how do you cook it? Coming to how do you cook it, just 3 easy steps to cooking it and it's ready in 30 minutes. All you need to do is just add vegetable or chicken or meat separately. That's not included in the pack, so you can choose to add anything you like in it. So today I'll be adding in it baby potatoes, right? So that is what I'm gonna add to my biryani. But here we go. You just need to boil the rice. You need to boil the rice in water. Cook the ingredients, that is vegetables and stuff, and then layer and dum cook it. Layer it and dum cook it. So you need to boil the rice, layer it with the masala and the vegetables, and then layer it one on top of the other, and then cook it on dum. Detailed recipe how to cook it is available inside the pack. This is a 327 gram net weight pack, so the net weight of this is 327 grams. That is 200 grams of basmati rice, 125 grams of the Hyderabadi masala paste, and 2 grams of masala, whole spices. The Kohinoor biryani kit is also available in other flavors, which is the Lucknowi biryani, Sindhi biryani and Kolkata biryani. So various biryani flavors are also available in it. So coming on the other side, here they have the Kohinoor branding, Hyderabadi biryani kit written here, and then it says it's ready in 30 minutes. Make at home restaurant style biryani, makes 1 kg of biryani at half the price. So it will make 1 kg of biryani. You can cook 1 kg of biryani with this pack, right? Scan the QR code for more authentic recipes. So they are given a QR code which you can scan for more recipes as well. So yeah guys, that's the information here. Now I'm going to tell you the price of this product. Let's talk about the price of this product. The Kohinoor Hyderabadi Biryani Kit is priced at rupees 125, which is very well priced by them. So you can actually create a biryani at rupees 125, 1 kg of biryani, that is at rupees 125 along with this kit, which is good. So now let's go ahead and unbox the box. So we'll just peel it open. It's stuck with gum, and here we have opened it. And let's open the pack and let's see what all is inside. So first up inside here is a Kohinoor Authentic Basmati Rice. Packet of Kohinoor Authentic Basmati Rice, which is 200 gram packet here, available here. Right, so we have a 200 gram packet of Basmati Rice available here. And what do we have next? Here's a Hyderabadi Biryani Paste. A packet of Hyderabadi Biryani Paste available here. So, and the recipe is mentioned on this packet itself. It's mentioned on the Hyderabadi Biryani Paste packet. So the recipe has been mentioned here. And what else do we have inside? Okay, here are the dry spices. Here is a packet of spices, 2 grams of spices. These are the spices available with it. So if we look at the spices, what do we have here? We have Tej Patta, we have Long, we have Dalchini, and we have, what is this called? Elaichi, and some Kali Miri, which is peppermint. So these are spices available with it. So in total we got 3 things in this biryani kit, which is the basmati rice, the Hyderabadi masala, and the whole spices. So these are 3 things that we have got in the box. There's nothing else in the box. The box is empty. And the recipe of making the biryani is mentioned on the masala packet right here. So let's talk about how to make this. First of all, rice preparation. Wash the basmati rice in running water thrice, then soak it for 30 minutes. Boil 1 liter of water, and in that with salt and whole spices from the pack. So you need to add these spices to the boiling water when you're cooking the rice. Drain the rice and add to the boiling water. Cook till the rice is half done, which is approximately for 7 minutes. Now drain the rice and keep it aside. Biryani masala preparation. Heat oil. Now it's time to prepare the biryani masala. Heat oil and shallow fry sliced onion. Okay, so onion we need to add. So we need to add onions as well. Onions are an other ingredient which we need to add. Slice onions to golden brown and keep aside while the rice is cooling. Mix and cook Kohinoor Authentic Biryani Masala in a pan with vegetables or chicken or meat. So anything that you want, vegetable, chicken or meat, just mix it with this masala and cook it. So add the stock water and cook it for another 15 minutes till tender and the oil separates. Now coming to the last part, which is the assembly. Layer half the quantity of the cooked rice and sprinkle half the quantity of the fried onions. So you need to fry the onions as well, right? Fried onions, cooked vegetables and meat or mint, and coriander and select green chilies. Repeat the layering. Pour desi ghee over the rice. Cover and cook on dum for 10 minutes on low heat. Serve hot with raita and salan. So that is the recipe mentioned here. We will put down this recipe as well for you all in the description below. But this is the recipe of how to cook it. So yeah. So guys, we showed you all what all is available in the packet. So these are things available. So I really can't comment right now on how good the taste is. But this masala looks really authentic and really spicy and full of flavor. So I can't wait to cook it and prepare it right now and see how does it go. So stay tuned. We'll quickly cook the Kohinoor Hyderabadi biryani using the Kohinoor Hyderabadi biryani kit. So let's go ahead and get cooking. We have taken the rice in a container, in a vessel here. We need to wash it under running water for 3 times. So you will just on the tap a bit and we will quickly wash it under running water. So this is the first water that we are using. Wash it clean. I will throw the water out now. And then we'll take the water again and just clean it with the hand again. Now we are removing the excess water. Now we'll take the water for the third time and wash it again under running water. We are washing it for the third time and just throw the water. And now in this what we are going to do is, now here is the washed rice, the rice that we washed, and now to that rice we are going to add a liter of water, and we need to keep it for boiling then. Here we have added 1 liter of water to the rice, and in this what we are going to add is we are going to add some salt and oil and some spices as well, and then we'll keep before that we need to set it aside for 30 minutes. So we are going to keep it aside and let the rice soak in the water for 30 minutes, and then we'll keep the rice for boiling. We are going to set this aside for 30 minutes now. We are going to boil a liter of water, so I kept the water for boiling, and here is my soaked rice. I removed it from the water and I kept it aside. And here I put water for boiling, in which I am going to add a teaspoon of salt for the rice. I'm going to add in some salt. Here it goes. So I'm adding in salt. We added the salt, and we are going to let the water come to a boil, and we are also going to add in the spices. This is spice mix that we have got. We are going to add this in. We are going to add the spice mix as well. So these are the full spices that we have got with the packet. So I'm just cutting it off, and we are going to add it to the water. So here goes the bay leaf, and we have put in all the spices that have come along with it into the water, and we are going to let it boil. So you will see the water is going to boil, and the spices which we have put along with the water, we have added a tablespoon of salt to it. And next what we need to do is we need to let the water boil and then let the water simmer for 2-3 minutes, and then take the soaked rice and add it to the boiling water and let it cook for another 2-3 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. So now we'll let the water boil, and once the water comes to a boil, we'll add the soaked rice in it. So guys, now the water has come to a boil and we have let it simmer for a minute. Now we are going to add the soaked rice in it. So we have added the soaked rice in it, and now we'll let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes till the rice is like half cooked. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and prepare the masala for the Hyderabadi biryani. So here is the masala packet that we have, and another thing that I'm going to put in the Hyderabadi biryani today is the I have here baby potatoes which are fried, so I'm going to mix the baby potatoes along with the Hyderabadi masala and I'm going to make it. So let's go ahead with that. So for that we require 1 onion slice which we are going to brown and mix up with the masala. Well, by the time the rice cooks up, let's quickly make the biryani masala, the Hyderabadi biryani masala, for which we have here a bowl of onions. And we have the biryani masala here, and I have a plate full of baby potatoes fried here, so which I'm gonna add into the biryani. So first off, so you all can use anything. You all can use vegetables, you can use potatoes, you can use chicken, mutton, anything you all like for it. Now first off, I'm gonna add some oil to fry the masala and prepare it. So I'm gonna add some oil here into the frying pan, and I'm going to put the first things first. I'm going to put the onions for frying. And then the flame is on. Now I put the oil. Let me spread the oil everywhere on frying pan, and let us I will cook the onion right now. So it's nice and golden brown. So you need to cook the onions here till they turn golden brown. See, the rice is almost cooked, there like half cooked, more than half basically. So at this point we'll put out the flame and we'll have to drain the water of the rice. So we have put the flame off here. Onions are getting cooked, fried here. Nice stir, and you need to fry them till they turn golden brown. Then breaking it up. We have drained the rice and kept it aside here, and also our onions are brown right now. So let us quickly now add the fried potatoes to it. Here's a plate of fried potatoes. I'll just put the fried potatoes in it. Now we'll cut open this packet of masala. And we'll add the Kohinoor biryani masala paste, the Hyderabadi masala paste, into the, and let it mix with the onions and potatoes nicely. Very aromatic masala. This is like, it has a very nice strong smell, a very spicy smell of the aroma of the spices. So we will just mix it up and let it cook for 2-3 minutes in this masala. So guys, here in a vessel we have put the first layer of rice. On top of that, we are going to put a layer of the Hyderabadi masala that has been made. The potatoes and the potato gravy that we made. We'll just layer it on top. And now we'll put another layer of the rice, a thin layer of rice again. I will just spread it across, spread the layer equally. So guys, at this point you all can choose to add fried onions. I haven't made fried onions right now. You can choose to add fried onions. You can choose to add cilantro, or what do you call it, dhania. In this, at this stage you can choose to add that fried onion and cilantro and mint here. and then put on another layer. Put all the remaining masala that is there at this point, and make sure you spread it well. Every part of the rice gets the masala, and now we'll just pour in all the masala that's there at this point. And then finally we'll add in the last layer of rice right on top of it. We'll add the last layer of rice. Nicely press it down. Into the vessel here. Yeah, and a nice layer of rice here. And a little bit of masala which is there. You just put it right on top for the coloring of the rice. And what we are going to put on top of it is basically we are going to add some ghee. So with a knife we'll just make some holes in the rice here so that it can go till down, the flavor of the ghee can go till down. And we'll just pour in some ghee on top and in these holes that we made in the rice. So what we'll do is we'll take the ghee and we'll just pour on some ghee here on the stage. So I'll just pour it directly from the jar. So very little ghee is left here. So I'll just pour some ghee. And we have poured some ghee here right on top. And now we'll let it cook. Now we'll cover the vessel. And cover it up. And we'll put some weight on it. Like basically you can put a silver foil below and then put a cover on it. And then put some weight on top of it. So guys, to give it some done, what we have done is we have layered the biryani in this vessel and we have covered it with a lid and kept a weight on top of it, and we have put a heavy bottom tawa below it, and what we are going to do is we are just going to pour some water on it so that the rice doesn't get burnt. We have poured some water there so that the rice doesn't get burnt. And we'll let it cook on dum for another 10-15 minutes. Aloo dum biryani, Hyderabadi aloo dum biryani prepared from the Kohinoor Hyderabadi biryani kit is ready, and it is very aromatic. Lots of flavors can be scented from it, and let's look at it. Like say I layered it with rice here, but you can see the amazing color and it looks like a restaurant style biryani completely here, and I can't wait to do a taste test on this. So look at the grains of rice, so perfectly cooked and long grains of rice here. The masala has a nice red masala color to it, which looks amazing. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of it. So guys, let's go ahead and do a taste test of the biryani kit, Hyderabadi biryani kit, the biryani made from the biryani kit here, and we are going to do the taste test of it. So here we go. We are going to take a spoonful of the Hyderabadi biryani made from the Hyderabadi biryani kit here. Dum aloo biryani made from the Hyderabadi biryani kit from Kohinoor. And we are going to do a taste test of it right away. So here's a spoonful of the Hyderabadi biryani made from the Kohinoor Hyderabadi biryani kit. I use potatoes to make dum aloo biryani, so here it goes. Very flavorsome masala. Spice on a bit on spicier side, but very tasty, very flavorsome. I would definitely recommend anybody who is a biryani fan to go ahead and try this biryani kit. It makes amazing biryani. You won't be able to tell the difference between a homemade biryani and a restaurant style biryani because this biryani is so amazing. So definitely a 5 on 5 for the Kohinoor biryani kit, Hyderabadi biryani kit. I can't wait to try on the other flavors, which is the Lucknowi biryani, the Kolkata biryani and the Sindhi biryani from the Kohinoor biryani kit, because this biryani has just become awesome. So I would definitely give the Hyderabadi biryani kit from Kohinoor a 5 on 5. Very easy to prepare, simple recipes. The recipe is mentioned in the box, so that it is the easiest thing for you to make. The right amount of rice to make the 1 kg biryani, so it will easily serve 3 people. This biryani will easily serve 3 to 4 people. So yeah guys, like overall I think it is worth the price. The biryani masala kit from Kohinoor is amazing, and yeah, you all should definitely go try it. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.